Hello, this is Abhinav Barnaval, and today I'm up with one more video, and here I'm going to explain what is electric aviation, why is it important for us, and what are its application areas. This is going to be a lot interesting and hope you enjoy it. So let's start. First of all, what the stuff it is. So electric aviation is just a potential technology aimed at reducing atmospheric carbon released by aircraft. In 2019, air travel accounted for 2.5% of global carbon emissions, a number that could triple by 2050 if the same continues. See, this is drastic increment, isn't it? So to tackle the problem, owing to the fact that air transport is the fastest mode of transport and thus it's not going to perish anyhow, we are here to strive for a cleaner solution. And hope we reach it soon. So what are the principles on which this works? First of all, they might seem to be a slight modification of fuel-based aircrafts, but of course they are not. Beginning from the engine motors to the thrusters, everything works based on electricity, which may be provided by lightweight batteries or solar energy or any other source. However, reducing energy content to weight ratio is one of the biggest challenge in the success of this fascinating machine. And once this is achieved, we hit a big milestone in this area. Now further, why do we need these things? So let's talk about it. First of all, electric aviation gives us zero carbon emission. Hence it is clean, it reduces noise emissions. It's based on renewable energy resources mainly, which we can control obviously. It's cheaper, it's highly efficient. On the other hand, fuel-based aviation has lots of carbon emission, noise, it's moreover non-renewable 100%. It's expensive as well as it is comparably less efficient than electric aviation. So here we see it's better to move towards electric aviation once it succeeds in all our grounds and it is possible to have commercial airplanes through this. Now we see what are the applications where we can use these electric motors and aviation. First of all, an increasingly common application is as a sustaining engine or even as a self-launching engine for gliders. The most common system is the front electric sustainer used in 240 gliders. However, the limited range is not such a problem as the engine is used for a short period either to launch or to avoid an outlanding. The advantage of an electric engine in this case comes from a certainty that it will start, unlike the fuel-based engines. The rapidity of deployment compared with two-stroke gasoline engines or jet engines is also a good advantage associated with these electric aviation motors. Now we have one more application, electric propulsion, which in commercial aircraft may be able to reduce carbon emissions to a lot extent, only if the new technology attains the specific power, weight, reliability required for a successful commercial fleet. Now there are identified six different electric propulsion architectures. First one, all electric, second parallel hybrid, series all parallel, partial hybrids, they may be partial, and then turbo electrics, which means full turbo electric or partial turbo electric. I'm not going to explain all this, but a brief idea can be taken from these pictures which I have put here. They may be read about or explained later. So thank you. This was a brief idea and thank you for watching.